Here are the top 10 deadliest plants on Earth. 10. Angel's trumpet, highly toxic hallucinogen. 9. Oleander, poisonous in small amounts. 8. Castor bean plant, source of ricin. 7. Rosary pea, one seed can kill. 6. Giant hogweed, burns skin on contact. 5. Belladonna, deadly nightshade, paralyzes nervous system. 4. Manchineel tree, toxic fruit and smoke. 3. Suicide tree, used historically for poison. 2. Water hemlock, violent seizures. 1. Jimpy plant, pain can last months. Nature doesn't label its hazards.